Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the number of meals on HelloFresh. So this video is going to be particularly for individuals who want to increase the number of meals that they actually receive from HelloFresh. For my example, I was initially receiving 2 meals for HelloFresh, but now I want to start receiving 5 meals per HelloFresh order. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around all the way until the end. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to click on our name here on the upper right hand side and then click on account settings. So from here, you're going to see your meal preferences and then you're going to see the number of meals here. So if I go and toggle this menu, you could actually see I can select up to 6 meals, numbers to 2 people. And once I select 6 meals, you're going to see that the price per serving, the shipping, and the total price is going to change. So if I want to click on 6 meals, I would just click on save and then the changes will affect my next delivery. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the number of meals on your HelloFresh account. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.